Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to remove a locking fuel cap if you've lost the key or the lock is seized. When I purchased this Tacoma, it had been sitting for a while with the previous owner, and even before I put it on the road, it did sit for a bit. The door on the lock was seized, but I did manage to get it loose just before I made this video. You may have experiences of a seized lock, or you may have lost the key. The cap can be installed and tightened without the key, however it can't be removed when you don't have the key. The exterior case just slips around while the threaded portion stays stationary. Large interlocking pliers can be used. Simply grab onto the exterior of the cap, let the outside plastic clamp down on the inner portion, which will allow it to turn. However, this doesn't always work on a cap as it may be in a tight spot, not allowing enough room for the pliers or movement. And you can't reuse the cap for temporarily until a new replacement is purchased, such as what I had here. Instead, I used a self-tapping screw. This will both drill a hole and thread into the plastic. This screw is about 3/4 of an inch in length. Try to keep the screw closer to the center so it doesn't interfere with the cap threads. Having a shorter screw won't go through the base of the cap, so you shouldn't have any issues with throwing a check engine light or having any plastic material fall into the tank. I did end up using the cap for quite a while before finally purchasing a new replacement. And as you can see, the cap can now be removed easily without any issues. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.